Today I'm going to show you how you can add friends on your Discord account. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Discord, and then once we open up Discord here, we will need to click on the little waving man on the bottom bar there. So once we click on this, we will be on this page, and now we need to head over to the top right hand corner and click on the little avatar with the plus icon. Once we click on that, we've now got three options. So we've got add via username right there at the top, and we've also got find your friends or nearby scan. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this friend by username. So what I need to do is input their username into this box right here. And then once you've inputted the first part of their username, you will then need the unique hashtag number right next to it to go ahead and put it in this section. So all we simply need to do is enter in a hash. So let's put in a hashtag. And then now we can enter in our unique number. So in this case, it would be 4416. Once we've entered that in right there, we can then click on send friend request. Once we do that, as you can see, friend request has now been sent. So that's how easy it is to add friends on your Discord.